Are grass and weed seeds able to germinate immediately, or do they have to be exposed to sunlight for a while? And this is from Jim. So he wants to know about grass and weed seeds.
Well, you know, different seeds have different germination requirements, different days to germinate. As far as grass, it can take a Bermuda grass seed up to 2 weeks to fully germinate. So it just depends on what seed you've turned up as far as your weeds and everything.
Right, and I can tell you something else too about those weed seeds now. Sunlight is what they need. Also moisture, nutrients, space, and air. You give it all of that, they're going to germinate pretty good.
Yeah.
Right, they're going to outcompete your grasses and whatever else you have there as well. But you're right about those Bermuda seeds. It's going to take a couple of weeks, you know, for those to get, those start growing. As long as they get good soil contact, get that moisture that they need, they're going to sprout up. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.